check it out. Check this one out.
Another Corvette. How many Corvettes are
It's a Porsche, bro, not a Corvette. There's a lot, bro. Look at another one. Look at that one. Look at the lineup.
This is the 3.8. 3.8 remains in the.
Look at that, Doc. Look at this Chevy.
It's an airplane that's got 4 wheels. That's what it is. It's like a jet. It's cruising to take off, but it never takes off. Right? That's what it is. And that was a Bugatti Chiron. The previous record is 2015. And the record is
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's clean, right?
Bugatti. Then Ben Chen, who's a renowned Bugatti collector.
Carbon fiber seats.
He did 246.4 miles.
I like the color of this one.
Stop, bro. Stop. Yeah, look at the inside. It's clean.
How fast can I go in 2.5 miles in my dream car?
So it's the same one that's over there.
The factory says it'll do 211 miles an hour. This is your place. These runs, actually, they close the highway, and then each person rides up individually, and we send them off at, I think it's 35, 45-second intervals, right? We have safety crews, and they know that that's where this happens, because it's that long stretch, about a mile or two, I guess, after the 65 speed limit starts. You can't miss it. You can get up there when they open the road. Certainly you can be there. Come on up, but know that you have to be off the road immediately. Somebody drops you off, you scamper 300 feet back as soon as you can to the event. It screws everybody up. So. It's a Mercedes key. It's a very simple key. It's sort of round and plastic. but the gentleman's looking for that key, so you should see a single Mercedes key somewhere in the ground here, somewhere maybe over towards the truck. If you stumble upon that, let me know. Okay, we're circulating around here. Try to help this guy out.
Okay, I cover that. I can put a helmet diffuser on, so I'll take that. Ese te metió oro. Ese carro me metió oro. Ese se ve la película.
Oh, bro, they got a Ferrari?
Yeah, it's 7 right now. Gotta hurry up and answer in 1 hour.
Hey, where's my Vietnam vet friend? He lost this little key. Well, my man Mike found the key. How about that? We found this little, look at it. It's tiny. We found it. With a guy that I believe he was a Vietnam vet. He had a Vietnam cap on. Sir, I have your key. Mike, you're a good man. It's always cool when we help people out here at this show. Lost keys, lost babies, all part of the deal, right? It's a big community here. You're at the Sun Valley Tour de Force car show. As this Tour de Force weekend continues. My name is Bushman. I'm glad to be your host. Hope I've answered your questions. You got anything you guys?